seeing people's homes and lives with dogs barking and kids running behind and getting kind of a little bit more insight into people outside of our professional personas that we have at work.
It's been really, really fun being able to work with a lot more students at a personal level with their research, and I've really been enjoying that.
How comfortable it can be. I can sit on my couch in the middle of the workday. I can sit on my couch in the middle of the workday.
I'd say probably the best skill I've had is the multitasking Zoom meetings with a toddler.
How can I create this really fun, engaging, inclusive space through Zoom or Canvas? I think I've really developed the skill of thinking, how do I facilitate all of these environments? And I've had a lot more practice doing so.
For video editing, learning a ton of new software, and it's all in the realm of what I have been trying to do. And it's just a giant, finally, I get to do this, yes.
It's not just in our world on Green River campus, it's bringing us home with them a little bit more. And I've really enjoyed that piece of it.
We have these channels online that allow me to have a lot more communications with students, and I think that's really, really helped with getting the word out that you can ask whatever and we will figure it out, and that's okay. We know how to build that relationship, and that's a really cool thing.